Throughout this unit, we have been learning how objects can have properties and actions. We've seen how this is true in real life, for example with a television, which has properties such as channel or volume, and actions such as change channel or turn volume up. We've also seen how we can combine a number of actions to make our objects, or sprites, do things on the computer. It's now time to combine these skills with a programming challenge. The world is going dance crazy, and I want you to design, test and make a brand new dancing computer program called Time to Groove. This game will be used to show children a range of cool and crazy dance moves step by step, which they can then learn for themselves. I would start by exploring some of the sprites available. You may find that some of them already have dance move costumes available. Good luck! I look forward to seeing your creations.